Hi, McKenna. What are you doing? Are you supposed to be way up here, huh? What are you doing, McKenna? McKenna, what are you doing? McKenna, what are you doing? Did you climb on your baby chair? What is that over there that you're stepping on? Huh? Hi, baby. What are you doing? What are you doing? It's funny. I don't think you're supposed to be way up here, especially playing with my magazines. No, those aren't for babies. Those aren't really for babies, huh? McKenna knows better. Huh? You know better. Yeah. Where are you going now? Where are you going to go now? Yep. Bye-bye. See you later. You going to go back down and play with all of your cool toys? Yeah? Dada? Are you looking for Dada? Ba. Ba? What's Ba? Are you looking for the ball? No, don't play with the magazine. Yeah? Say Mama. Mama. McKenna, say Mama. Mama. Oh, no. Babies aren't supposed to play with tissue paper either. Can you say Mama? Say Mama. Say Mama. No, Mama. Is it silly? Ma. Ma. Are you gonna go bye-bye? Are you going bye-bye? Okay, bye-bye. No. No, McKenna, no. I like your messy hair. It's so pretty.